Zoe and today I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter balls. We love to make these during Christmas. And what you'll be needing is a measuring cup, a large bowl, a small bowl, a rolling pin, a wooden spoon, a spatula, graham crackers, powdered sugar, peanut butter, Hershey's chocolate, 1 stick of butter, and a bag. First what you're going to want to do is you want to take a pack of graham crackers, put it into a bag, and crush it. Once you have them in a fine powder, you're going to measure 1 cup and pour it into your large bowl. Next, pour that into your bowl. Then you're going to measure 1 cup of peanut butter and put that into the bowl also. Then what you're going to do is take 1 stick of butter and melt it. Once it's melted, add it to your peanut butter and graham crackers. Next, you're going to want to measure 2 cups of powdered sugar and add that in. And then stir that until it gets where you can mold it into balls. Now you want to take a cookie sheet and you're going to want to take a small scoop of the peanut butter balls and put it into a ball and flip your pan. Next, put those into the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now since they're done chilling, you're going to want to take a Hershey's chocolate bar and you're going to want to break it up into small chunks and put it in a microwave bowl. Then you're going to put that in the microwave to start with 30 seconds. You want to take them out and stir them because they don't look like they're. Put it in for another 30 seconds. Again, and it should be melted. Then you're going to take the peanut butter ball and dip half of it into the chocolate. And do that to all of them. You're going to put them back in the fridge for about half an hour till the chocolate is all hardened. This is the finished product of the peanut butter balls. They're super easy to make. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.